NITI Aayog has launched a strategic roadmap that charts the next phase of India's digital public infrastructure, that is DPI journey, as a driver of inclusive, non-linear and productive-led growth. An official statement said on Tuesday. The DPI at the rate 2047 for Viksit Bharat marks an important evolution in India's digital journey from digital inclusion alone to enabling capacity, productivity and opportunity at scale. According to a NITI Aayog statement, the roadmap developed in partnership with Ekstep Foundation and Deloitte set out a two-phase digital path for India's digital transformation DPI 2.0, that is from 2025 to 2035, to drive livelihood-led growth at scale, followed by DPI 3.0, that is from 2035 to 2047, to enable broad-based prosperity. The immediate focus is on DPI 2.0. Under DPI 2.0, the roadmap identifies 8 sectoral transformation to address structural bottlenecks across MSMEs, agriculture, education and health sector, while strengthening systematic enablers such as credit, decentralized energy and benefit delivery. The report News Now.